So as you can see, I'm cracking on with this lot. Hopefully I will get most of this done today. Clean this wall up and put my flags down like a stepping stone path along the drive. I've got about another 3 or 4 flags to put down. I put a layer of cement on top of this wall to raise it up so it goes above the wood next door. The rubble diggity, don't you agree? What movie is that from? Survived in that pot with no water. It's going to survive in here. It's almost the end of September. There won't be many more days like this, so I'm gonna cut my hedge. I'm gonna, if I have time, creosote the fence and creosote this decking. I hate cutting this hedge, but it's got to be done. Look at that spider's web there. What a place to put it. There's one there as well. This is the quickest way of doing it. I know it's not decking paint, it's creosote, will do the job. I bought that decking paint once before, diamond finish, waste of money. This is a lazy way of doing it. It all runs down from top to bottom. Gravity. Gravity always wins in the end. So that's the fence creosoted all the way around the garden. The hedge cut. Got to burn these pallets. We'll do that next week. So that's the garden tidied up. Next year I'll be able to concentrate more on improving the quality of the plants, because this year I've let it go a little bit. The simple reason, I replaced my garage roof, replaced the shed, I've been working on my drive. So everything next year will be finished and I'll have more time to concentrate, like I say, on improving the quality of the plants.